Well, I just completed my first treatment with Texas Hair Restoration, and oh my gosh, I could take a nap. It was so soothing. It was really interesting. They put oh my gosh, sorry, I'm really sleepy. They put some products on my hair that were tingly and kind of like almost minty fresh. And they, I just felt like my hair follicles were just coming to life. So it was really interesting. And then the infrared light, and I didn't film it. I should have, but at the end I got a scalp massage with this really cool thing that had little nubbies on it that went vroom, 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 and I seriously about fell out of my seat because I was so sleepy. See, there you go. I am looking forward to my next treatment on Friday, and looking forward to posting some before and after pictures where you'll go, wow, right now I'm the before, but just wait, you'll see the after. Okay, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey there. So this is why I have bangs. Oh, but my hair dried like this, so whatever. It's still drying, but I'm trying not to put too much heat on it. But I have my second treatment with Texas Hair Restoration and Wellness Clinic, and super excited. Just wanted to give a little follow-up. I'm going to insert a picture of the hair loss during the shampoo this time. So I took a picture of the hair loss, my first shampoo with them, and I'll put that earlier in this video, and then the one from today, that'll be the last picture you see. And yeah, so oh my gosh, my scalp felt so good Monday after my treatments, and I was fighting sleep because I was so relaxed because I didn't have that burning and itching. And it lasted through the rest of Monday, all of Tuesday, and then Wednesday I started having some hormonal issues, and I think that might have been what started getting the inflammation again. I started burning and then losing some more hair. It wasn't as much as I've been during this time, so I was very thankful for that. And yeah, so then today woke up and was feeling a little better. I think too, psychologically, I knew I was coming here. And yeah, so I think that's it. I started crying when I was in there being worked on because I was just so thankful to be there. And I think that today, oh gosh, I know when I know I'm coming here, I just feel so much better. So, and I look forward to next Tuesday. So I will do a series for next week. Take care. Bye. Oh, and see this my little skinniness. I'm working on that too, and I will start my videos on my weight and my health too.